Okay, let's talk about InControl. InControl is Peplink's cloud management platform. I don't like to call it a concentrator because it's not. It's an orchestrator at best, but really it's a centralized management and reporting platform. If you want to learn about InControl, we have 2 courses at the 2025 Peplink Summit here in Orlando, where we're going to be going over management of InControl and zero-touch configuration of InControl. So you can learn how to manage your network, manage your clients, support tens of thousands of users within the InControl platform, managing firmware and router deployments and geolocation and geofencing. Then, once you pass that course, you can take the Level 2 course. So let me talk about the Level 2 InControl course. The Level 2 InControl course is going to give you a full guide into zero-touch administration, from Wi-Fi to outbound policies, firewall, security, SpeedFusion VPN, VLANs, network infrastructure, OSPF, BGP. That's a lot, all managed without ever touching a router. And we're going to teach you how to do that in the Level 2 InControl course. So let's talk about the InControl Level 1 lab. Once you take the course, I want you to join me and my team for Level 1 lab training. This is going to give you the ability to understand how to add and remove devices to InControl, how to manage your groups and security policies, basic overview of managing your infrastructure inside InControl. Join us for this lab as we go through managing your network infrastructure inside InControl. Okay, so now that you've done the Level 1 and Level 2 training courses, maybe you've attended the Level 1 lab, join us for the Level 2 InControl lab. This is where you're going to learn zero-touch configuration of policies, settings, and router management without ever touching the device. So if you have to roll out hundreds of devices or tens of thousands of devices, you're going to learn how to zero-touch manage that in this lab. So join us after you've done your training course, or if you're comfortable and familiar with InControl, you can register for that training lab.